my days. Do you understand? We're making history right now. Everybody here is part of this history being made. This is 5th August and OD. My dog. I see you, brother. Okay. Man, this next song, true story. I think it was 2019 or 2020. Yeah. That year, everybody was just somewhere. Jigget. I was with my guy, Gravy E, and we just linked up. We saw these beats. The producer is Solo Otto, Grammy-nominated producer, no cap. Jigget. So we just linked with 28 Mojo in the studio, and we cooked this record. Odi, are you ready? Drunken everywhere. I don't need no freaking validation. Keep my head up, always ready for the game. I don't like I trip my. That's real life on the road. Yeah, I'm bossy and you know. And I need me some steaks. Slide. No, gotta give me that back. Don't spam. No, that's why I keep telling all you. Still it's over and you're confident. I become this far, search for anything less. So I put in work every day. Y'all ain't see anything yet. In this life, I'm making a difference. Come my racks when I reach the ceiling. That's my goal. When I reach a billion, stand out, yo, but still independent, yo. Keeping it real, but niggas still acting so fake, though. Love and real out there, man. You gotta brace up. It's pretty clear in your eyes. I'm a king to you guys. I wonder when you wake up and then realize. Hey, keep your head up, keep your head up. Let's mess with you. Put your hands up. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Every little thing's gonna be. Hey. Keep your head up, keep your head up. Let's mess with you, put your hands up.
Every little thing's gonna be alright. Every little thing's gonna be alright.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep your head up, keep your head up. Let's just mess with you, put your hands up. Every little thing. It's gonna be alright. Keep your head up, keep your head up. This is my message, you put your hands up. Every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Fuck, I'm lost, I always wanna count my gains up. That's some bullshit, you know I don't play no games, nah. I'm on the road, steady moving on my toes. Been on the low, but the cameras are only God knows. I don't make it on my own, I got my squad with me. Rapping in every scene, bet you know they're gonna ride for me. That's G code, that's game code, that's the life, bro. And we gonna live life till it's fullness, we no spot, nah. I feel lost in my peace of mind. I need love, I let peace through my inner eyes. But I say you gotta pay the price. What more can I say? Maybe that's a lie. Who knows? Hey, lately I've been feeling lonely, tryna catch feelings, maybe feeling like a goalie. Been on the low, but your niggas think it's funny. But till you see me straight up out of comments, then you know it's got to. Hey! Your head up, keep your head up. Let's mess with you, put your hands up. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Every little thing's gonna be. Hey, keep your head up, keep your head up. Let's mess with you, put your hands up.
Every little thing's gonna be alright. Every little thing's gonna be alright.
Keep your head up, keep your head up. Let's mess with you, put your hands up. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Every little thing. When she's messing with you, woo. Hey, when she's messing with you, yeah. When she's messing with you, shit. When she's messing with you. Like I said, this was Heads Up, me and my brother Gravy E, and we linked in the studio with 28 Mojo. And all these brothers I'm calling are in this CE of Enugu. First of all, that's to tell you have amazing talents in this CE. You get me? Oh my God, you guys are so fine. Yeah, we're gonna go on another break. When we come back, just wait and see. Don't go nowhere. Call your loved ones, tell them to come, or tune into Afia TV 254, Go TV 17, DSTV 254. It's 5th August and OD, and we are taking over.
Open Sheraton. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. This particular song, right? I made this record with my friend. Her name is Tehila. She's in Zambia. And we just met on social media. And we made this beautiful music. Get your. Yeah, 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 yeah. Get your ass up. Go to school. Go to church. Get the fuck out. Get a job. Get in line. Get your grades up. You are a black boy, yeah. Or don't you know that? That skin is ugly, eh? That's what they told me, eh? They called me ugly, yeah. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. We've got issues, I've got issues, yeah. I love my issues, yeah. All my issues make me, yeah, black and gorgeous. My skin is perfect, yeah. I've got issues, yeah. I love my issues, yeah. Get your ass up, go to school, go to church, get up, fuck out, get a job, get in line, get your grades up. You are a black boy, yeah. Or don't you know that? Your skin is ugly. That's what they told me. They call me ugly, yeah. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. You are a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. We've got issues, I've got issues, yeah. I love my issues, yeah. All my issues make me, yeah, black and gorgeous. My skin is perfect, whoa, whoa. I've got issues, yeah. I love my issues, yeah.
Stay in line, be past your time, be in a light that cannot be seen. But you know that your skin is glowing, that your head is glowing, that you say make me mad. Is you're a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. And you're a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. And you're a black man, boy, living in a white man's world. And you're a black man, boy, living in a white.
We've got issues, I've got issues, yeah. I love my issues, yeah. All my issues make me, yeah, black and gorgeous. My skin is perfect, yeah. I've got issues, yeah. I love my issues, yeah. Jesus a black man, boy, cause he made me in his image and likeness. Jesus a black boy, yeah. Or don't you know that? Dark skin is ugly. That's what they told me. They call me ugly. Bad girl, yeah. She's a bad girl. My girl, she's a bad girl, yeah. Yeah. My girl, she's a bad girl, yeah. She's a bad girl. My girl, she's a bad girl, yeah. My girl, she's a bad girl, yeah. She's a bad girl. My girl, she's a bad girl, yeah. My girl, she's a bad girl, yeah. She's a bad girl. My girl, she's a bad girl, yeah. Hit it in the morning, the sunrise you burning. broke your behind. Hey, if you want lose control, better lose control. I know they hold your hand. Party like it's 99. Hey, baby, get broke your. If you want lose control, better lose control. I know they hold your hand. Ooh, my girl, my girl, my girl. Your body causing commotion, baby. This your body be temptation, baby. I just wanna baby, make you rock, cause your body causing commotion, baby, baby. This your body be temptation, oh baby. I just wanna, me make you rock, make you. I'm stopping here, make you turn up the vibes. My little mama, hey, got me feeling like a. Do it and do your body, got you dripping from ya. Make you don't go tell your aunties, being a bad boy since the 90s. Hey, I want a two. I like the way you dance and you move. Give me bumper, come mash up the place. Come back up the place. You know, oh my gosh, I want watermelon sugar. Watermelon sugar. Splashing on me tonight. Hey, party like it's 99. Hey, baby, girl, broke your behind. Hey, if you want lose control, I know that. Party like it's 99, baby, can block your behind. If you want, this your body, it be temptation. I just wanna make you baby, make you. I want a two. I like the way you dance and you move. Give me bum, come mash up the place, come burn up the place, You know, oh my God, so watermelon sugar, watermelon sugar, splashing on me tonight.
one-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
Hello, good evening, and thank you for joining me tonight on the news right here on Afia TV. I am Amazing Grace Ajayi. And on the headlines, MASH Fire Nations holds conference for kids' personal hygiene and safety. On the national news, federal government to restock food reserve system. And in business, House of Representatives gave EFCC chairman 4-day ultimatum to honor invitation. On the foreign scene, Sri Lanka announces first presidential votes since unrest. Details of these and so much more to come up tonight on the news, but first I take you back to 5th August and OD for the rest of Nka Lounge. Do stay tuned.
Premises, look what you did to me. Drowning in misery, drugs is my remedy. Don't nobody know, don't nobody know. I've been down below, I've been on my own, very far from home. Nearly lost my soul. Jesus took control, and he gave me hope. Writing these melodies, crying myself to sleep. Thinking of you and me, all of the memories, yeah. Broken promises, look what you did to me, yeah. Down in the misery, drugs is my remedy, yeah. Don't nobody know, don't nobody know. I've been down below, I've been on my own. Very far from home, very far from home. Nearly lost my soul, Jesus took control. Don't nobody know, don't nobody know. I've been down below, hey, I've been on my own. Very far from home, nearly lost my soul. Jesus took control, and it made me whole. Crying myself to sleep, thinking of you and me, all of the memories, yes. Broken promises, look what you did to me, yeah. Drown in the misery, don't nobody know, don't nobody know. I've been down below, I've been on my own. Very far from home, very far from home. Nearly lost my soul, Jesus took control. I've been down below. Yeah, yeah, very far from home. Nearly lost my soul. Tell you a little story. The year was 2020 again. I was in my mother's house in the parlor and I wrote this record, Feel Alive. Song of the year. Song of the year every year. When I was done with the song, I called Gravity, bro. Gravity was like, guy, waiting be this. The next day we went to the studio, we linked up with Nameless and we made the record. This is the moment of glory right now. If you're in the room, let me see your flashlights. I gotta see your flashlight right now. This is Feel Alive, you get me? You have to feel alive. If you're sitting down, you're wrong. If you're sitting down, you're wrong. Be on your feet, this is Feel Alive. We gotta kill the show right now. MD, we gotta go, dog. We gotta go, we gotta go. Are you ready? Woo! As the song of the year, every year as the song of the year, every year as the song of the year, every year as the Feel Alive in the morning time. When the bitches go with your fake. OGs are in the building, let's go from the top. Woo! Feel Alive in the morning time. When the bitches come with your fake love, I'm like, hold up, I don't need pay. Stick to my grind, money on my mind. Feel alive in the morning time. When the bitches come with your fake love, I'm like, hold up, I don't need babe. Stick to I got something on my mind. You can call it dreams, but I'm running out of time. Between that color, I would rather choose to shine. Yes, we on the scene, cause we're playing ride or die. I must not be sleeping when I'm dreaming. Eyes are seeing, I don't need a shoulder when I'm leaning. And I mean it when I say it, best believe it, I'm not playing. Stay away from my lane. If you wanna know it for sure, you gotta understand. The man about to become is the only man I stand. If you see me in the yard, would you say you knew my rags? I wanna stack up the racks from the floor to the wall to the outer exterior. People telling me to wish like I'ma shoot a video. Nigga who said fans, oh what you buy? Feeling life in the morning time. When the bitches come with your fake love, I'm like, hold up, hey, I don't need babe. In the morning time, and the bitches come with your fake love. Bring it up, bring it up. My guys waiting here, you know now. Text me by 3 a.m., I'll be awake. Cause I can't sleep. I don't have $1 million. I cannot be sleeping, my guy. You get, hey, I be on my grind, on my grind. I be on my grind. When you sleeping, sticking to my grind. Yeah, I be sticking to my grind. Hey, listen, I be up at night, up at night. I be up at night. When you sleeping, sticking to my. Are you ready? We're about to feel alive right now. 1, 2, let's go. Feel alive in the morning time. Hey, when the bitches go into fake love, I'm like, hold up, I don't need pay. Stick to my grind, money on my mind. Feel alive in the morning time. When the bitches go into fake love, I'm like, hold up, I don't need pay.
Stick to my mind, money on my mind. Feeling like I'm morning time.
Gotta take it away right now. Money on my mind. When you sleeping, sticking to my grind. Yeah, yeah. Feel alive in the morning time. When the bitches come with your fake love, 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 oh, with your fake love, with your fake love, oh yeah. Feel alive in the morning time. When the bitches come with your fake love. Ladies and gentlemen, if you made it till this very moment, you're a gang, you're a champion, and I love you, honestly, I mean it. I would want to thank Afia TV. You guys are so special, trust me. I want to thank the entire crew of Unka Lounge. I want to thank Mr. Producer, my brother. I see you, my guy. Tobes. I want to thank the MD and the entire team of Afia TV and all the sponsors. I want to also give a big shout out to Hunger Clinic, our personal sponsors. I mean, 5th August and OD. It was really like, I enjoyed every moment of this night. And I mean, just till next time though. See you later. It's 5th August and OD. Signing out. Peace.
What are your thoughts on the spate of sex for grades in Nigerian universities?
This very issue of owing salary should be criminalized.
How can they amplify their voices?
People don't have evidence.
You want to get to know about it? Have to stay tuned right here on Afia Morning Show to get the pulse and the feel of that.